Alright, so this is the first video we're gonna be reacting to today. It has been popping up on my For You page for so long now, so I figure I may as well just give it a good old watch, right? So this is Birds for Some Reason.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. And so as I saw her, asked her for a name, she smiled and looked at me. I was surprised to see that a woman like that was real into me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to give the very best she can. She told me she was all alone, said I don't. She got no one. She said that getting of age, 59 and was a gold key. She lied to me, 'cause she was loving me, yeah. I never would have thought she was living like that. Her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels. It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man, paid to get the very best she got. She told me she was all alone, said I don't, she didn't have no man. She said just getting up, 59 was the goal she got. She lied to me, 'cause she got a family, yeah.
Well, that sure Um the fuck I walk into I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. You walked into the dance birds.